our hair. So, kakaligo lang natin. So, medyo suklayin lang natin siya ng kamay konti. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Bago ang lahat, i-hit nyo na ang like and subscribe button para updated kayo sa ating mga bagong videos. And for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng isa sa mga Boodle finds natin sa TikTok. So, ito siya. Okay. So, ito, nabili ko siya sa halagang 400 pesos. And it was just delivered today. Ito yung yung brush sa hair na parang blower. So, tara, buksan natin. Ay, ang hirap dahil. Nakakaloka. Wait lang. Let me check if meron akong ganito. Hindi, okay na. Okay na siguro. Okay. Yun. So, this is hot air brush. Okay, so one step. So, as you can see, medyo parang nadurog-durog na yung box niya sa pagkaka-deliver. Medyo na, yung nayupi-yupi na. Pero let's check kung okay siya. So, as you can see, it's freeze-free, blowouts, and shine and all to half the time. Ang sabi dito yun. And, medyo magaan. So, it says here that, well, faster, less damage. The brush helps reduce moisture in hair for faster drying and less damage. So, it also reduces frizz and static, which make the hair soft and shiny. And then, lightweight design, ceramics, high quality, spread the heat for all the surface of the plate. Negative ions surround each hair strand, eliminate static freeze, and providing brighter. So, ano ba bang mga makikita natin dito? Sa madalas ko kasi itong nakikita, ay alam niyo naman yung buhok ko, though medyo kakaayos lang niya. Medyo kakapaayos lang natin sa parlor is yung buko talaga is laging buhaghag. Well, kasi medyo mahilig kasi akong magkulay at saka mahilig din akong ano ba yung nilalagay doon para magkulay yung buhok, yung So, yan. So, sabi dito, hot air brush, straightening and drying. Pero sana, di ba, medyo maayos-ayos yung box. So, eto, ganito to siya kalaki. Okay. So, meron caution dito. Says here, product can burn eyes, advertisement. CET, ayun, yun, advertisement. Product can burn eyes. Yun yung nakalagay dito. Warning, possible electric shock. Do not immerse or use while bathing. So, bawal siya habang naliligo, bawal siyang mabasa. Kailangan super well, siguro pwede naman pagbasa yung buhok. Blower nga eh, diba? Pero bawal siya syempre habang naliligo ka. So, let's check. Medyo amoy plastic. Okay. And lightweight siya. Medyo bulky lang siya kasi parang feeling ko ang laki niya masyado. So, let's try. Ba to? Ayun. Ito pala. Ito pala, dito pala siya. Akala ko ito yung iniikot. So, ito dito siya mag-a-adjust. Okay, so ayan, naka-off. So, meron siyang indicator dito. Yan, naka-off siya ngayon. And then, ito yung low. Middle. Pareho naman. Middle yan. And then, ay, ito yung middle. Ayan, ulit. So, ito off. Low. Middle. Tapos high. Ba't ganun? Parang yung low and high magkapareha. Tapos yung middle medyo mahina siya. Well, wait lang kasi parang may mga plastic ako nakikita. Kaya baka masunog. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Medyo mainit. Natatakot akong gamitin, di ba? Pero yan. Ayan siya. Pero feeling ko, mas okay siya gamitin kapag bagong ligo. So, try muna nating maligo. Sige. See you in a bit. I'll just take a bath, okay?
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so we're back. So we are going to use this hot air brush on our hair. So kakaligo lang natin. So medyo suklayin lang natin siya ng kamay konti. Okay? Then let's try it on the low mode. Ay, ayaw. Ano ba to? Low mode. Okay? Kailangan yata sineset ko ng hair kasi nakita ko dun sa TikTok sineset ko nila nila. Pero kasi manipis naman itong buko as in sobrang nipis lang ito. Guys, tapos na po natin gamitin yung hot air brush natin and this is the finished product. So as you can see, maganda siya. What I really like about this is that it actually gives volume to your hair. So parang hindi siya patay tingnan. So yan. 'Di ba? Para siyang healthy tignan kapag ginamit nito. So again, what I've noticed is that yung indicator niya, kasi 'di ba nung una kala natin, same lang yung low and then high. ang napansin ko is, yung ano niya, yung low niya is mahina yung heat. Mahina yung heat na nilalabas niya. So, medium, medyo mainit-init. And then, yung high, yun yung, well, mainit talaga siya sa hair. Alam niyo yung parang, yung nagplansya ka ng buhok. Parang ganun yung ano niya, pakiramdam niya, yung init niya, ganun siya kainit. Pero, yeah, all in all, it's a good product. So, if I'm going to rate it, it's a 9 out of 10 for me. It's a good product, especially to those na nagmamadaling umalis. Kasi, easy fix siya, madali lang siyang gamitin. And, lalo-lalo na sa mga maikli ang buhok na katulad ko. Well, I haven't tried it sa mahabang buhok, but maybe someday I could actually try it on a long hair also. Yon. So, I highly recommend this to you guys. You can actually try to search this on TikTok or on Lazada. Price ranges is around 300 to 400. So, I actually purchased this for 400 pesos. Okay? So, yon. If you do have any suggestions for other products that we can review, just comment down that below. And we will try to review that for you. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so that you'll be updated to our new videos. So see you soon on our next vlog. Thank you so much and goodbye!